In the previous video, we will discuss about the insertion. Now let's discuss about the deletion. Okay, deletion all three, in the beginning, middle and the end, all three. Like we have given a linked list 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and next was the null. Like we have to deletion from the beginning. First, when for example we have given a head, first ask to him, is you have any head? Head don't have any value. If you have head, say head. Your next element was the head. Like go, we have a current variable, say him, you are the head. Now you was the like you are the CM of that city, and goes with, and he was PM, go to for CM and say, after that you are not the CM, CM was the 2. PM can order the CM like that. Current was go to the head and say, you are the head of the linked list. Yes, he say yes, and current say him, after that you are not the head, head was the 2, and this after that this link was break. When he say you are not the head, head was the 2, and after that this link was the break, and he always we will store and the print after the 2. This link was break and it was loose in the memory, like this was the memory, this was the 1 and this was the 2. After that, when this was link break, one was crash and go anywhere in this memory, and after the garbage collection does their work. But now this will remove, as I say remove from the beginning, we remove that by saying you are not the head, head was the next element to you. Just simple. Current go for 1 and say, after that you are not the head, head was the 2. Done. That simple. Like now we have to delete from the middle. Go there, like make a list 1, 2, 3, 4 and null. Make a current variable. We will search one by one, but here was the condition, we will not check for the that next. Like we have given element, we will not current go here and not ask to 1, is your next not equal to null. He not asking him, he will asking to him, next element to him. Current ask only 1 and ask him, is your next dot next not equal to null, this element not equal to null. Then he say no, there was a 3, you can ask to next element, next. Current go there, ask to 2, is your next dot next not equal to null. 2 say no, there was an element. Then current go for third and ask him, is your next dot next is null or not. He say yes, my next dot next element was the null. After that he say 3, your next dot next is null. Okay, after that your next also be null. After that the 4 also be null. Okay, when there was the 2 null, like 3 null and null, that never possible. So null say him next to, you are not to be my, I cannot handle you, so you can go anywhere now. Then deletion performed, 1, 2, 3 and null. Done. Deletion from the end also possible, we can make that. Let's make for deletion in the middle. For the middle, like we have given 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 null. Like we, as I tell you, deletion and in the middle can be anything, count, number, etc, anything. Let's now we have to remove the 3, that was the middle. Like for the deletion we have given that time was count. When your count was the 3, delete that element. Okay, He go and ask him, current goes there, is your next dot next make my count equal 3 or not? He say my next was 1 2 and 3. Yes, it can be make my count to the 3. And then he say his go is next and say to the 2, after that your next not equal to the 3, your next equal to the 4. Like for example, research again, like forget about the count, we have to delete the 3, forget everything, count etc, everything forget. Like we have given to delete 3, okay, we have to delete the 3 that was in the middle. He go to head, is you are 3? One say no, I am not. Is your next not equal null? Ask him, you are not null. He say no, there was an element. Then current go there and ask him, is you are 3? He say no, I am not 3. Is your next is null? He say no, there was element. Then he go there, he ask, you are 3? He say yes. Then he ask him, is your next null? He say no. But he not go there. He say, let's one step we forget about that, we asking about the him to next. Like when he goes to 2, like 1 2, he also ask 2, is your next not equal null? He say no. Before going he asked to him, is your next was 3? He say yes, my next was the 3. Then after that your next was not 3, after that your next was not 3, 3 was go from there. And then he asked, who was my next? He say your next was your next dot next, your next was the 3, after that your 3 was not next, your next was the 4. Okay, he say him, is your next is 3? He say yes, my next was the 3. Then he say after that your next was the 4, not 3. Okay, like that. Next video we will discuss about the deletion code.